So now let's see how we can work around with the page break block inside of wordpress.com. So to do that, let me just go around and hover around in between the two blocks right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and let's say, for example, utilize page break. So let's just go around and say page, and then you can see that page break block is here. So you can see that this is a page break right here that you can insert out right here. So this is what you have is you can see that it's a separate your content into a multi-page experience. So let me just go around and then save this out and then view out the page right here just like this. And now you can see that from the section where you added in the page break right here, you can see that I have multiple pages. So this is page 1, and if you were to click on 2, now the content after the page break actually pops up right here just like this. So if you have a long content a page with multiple sections, then you can utilize the page break block to divide it into multiple sections of information just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.